Morning. Bucket of scraps here for them. Got mushroom, eggshells, some spaghetti, peppers, all kinds of stuff for them this morning. One got his back right in the way. Had a little bit of ice on their water this morning. Still kind of cold out here. It's only about 34 degrees, so the wife's in getting breakfast. So maybe after breakfast it'll be warm enough we can get out here and do something with the apple trees and stuff. Alright, it's warmed up out here. We're going to trim some apple trees. So hang on to your shorts. We're going to be working pretty fast. Alright. Well, that's one done. I had to trim it out so much because there's a lot of dead in it. Yeah, remember, these trees haven't been taken care of for several years, so I just trimmed her out good. See what she does. I wanted to show you this. This is a little Sunjoe wood chipper. They're not too expensive. I was trying to get it on video and I didn't hit record or something, but it didn't record us using it. But it done these, chipped what we could out of them apple tree limbs. I got it spread in here in the greenhouse on the walkway. Everything. I'll grab a handful of it, but see how fine it does it. If you got a small homestead, I'd recommend one of them, especially if you want to make your own wood chips when you trim your trees. Works really well. And of course, there's the wife. She ain't saying nothing. She's tired.
When I fire home, I do at work.
Well, yeah. This ain't where you work, you know.
I don't get paid for it.
In the long run, you do. She's got her little chicken shoes on, ain't them just cute, them little sloggers. So anyway, we'll probably be gathering eggs here pretty quick. And we'll get back to it. I got the burn barrel going. Alright, wife's gonna gather the eggs tonight. Count them out.
4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 15, 19, 25, 29, 30.
30 eggs today. Alright. Well, we got the apple tree trimmed, the limbs chipped, and a little bit of cleanup around the yard. Eggs gathered. Nice day. So, can't complain about that. So anyway, that's today's video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Glad to have you. Glad for you watching. The most important, don't forget, smile today. Smile tomorrow and you're going to smile all week, guaranteed. Hey, you can watch the other guy. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.